Now this car has to be seen to be appreciated. For all the right reasons, it really is an extraordinary vehicle. Because the way it looks, the way it drives, the specification, and it's somewhat quite rare. Now we sell a lot of Lamborghini Uruses here at Acklam Cars, but to get one on this exterior colour with that beautiful and amazing contrasting interior makes it a one-off car. So 2021, 71 registration, obviously Lamborghini Urus is a 4-litre V8 producing 650 brake horsepower, and if you don't know already, 0 to 60 as quick as 3.6 seconds. That's pretty quick. But the car's got full Lamborghini service history. The colour, first of all, you can see quite clearly it's very special. It's called Eleos Blue, but it isn't just a standard Eleos Blue, which has that beautiful glitter. It's then got a full body satin PPF, and that's what gives it that lovely matte finish. You've then got the lovely Lamborghini Technica LED headlights with the Y lighting for the DRLs. A lot of black styling which has been kept from factory the way it is because it looks absolutely stunning against that Eleos Blue. And you can see the contrast and the split, and it all just pops and bangs all the way around. You've got front rear parking sensors, cruise control, the all-important 23-inch alloy wheels. You've then got the carbon ceramic brake discs, and you've got the red brake calipers. Like I said, we have left, or the customer has left, sections of the arches, the side skirts, front and rear in gloss black, and it does work, and it works really well, like I said. You've then got the Italian colours down the side, the black window surrounds, sun protection glass, soft closed doors, and comfort access. Tilt and sliding sunroof. I have seen a couple of Blu Eleos Blue Lamborghini Uruses around, but in random colour combinations with red or yellow or green interiors, and for me, it just looks okay. Check this out. A little bit different, unicolor Bianco Leather interior, and what a difference this makes, because not only does it look sporty, but it somehow looks very, very classy, and that's what I like about this car. You've got the full multifunctional steering wheel, heated, ventilated and massaging seats, full Anima driving mode, ambient lighting package. You've then got the anodised interior trim switches. It's just beautiful. Bang & Olufsen sound system, memory seats, the extended leather, the piano black. I'm going to step in, fully fitted mats. It's comfortable. It's a Lamborghini. Little things like this, to switch this engine on, you lift this red lever and you press this to start it, and you press it again to turn it off. Reverse, park. There's the different driving modes there, Strada, Sport, Corsair, Sabia. Different off-road settings as well. 2 keys. Tracker system comes with this car. You've got Apple CarPlay. There's a cruise control, electric steering column adjustment. The finish with the leather on the knee pad area is amazing. All the adjustments for the seats is at your fingertips down the side here. That's up and down, forwards and backwards. Full Alcantara roof lining, heads-up display. It's got everything. What more can you physically want in any car? And then it's a Lamborghini, and you think, wow, this car just has everything. But I love the colour. You've got the Lamborghini shield stitched onto the headrest, the honeycomb stitching with the black stitching, which works really well on the Bianco leather. And then you have Alcantara on the door cards again with white stitching to contrast with the black leather. Now, if you look in the back, you've got lots of space. Now, remember, this is a 5-seat configuration, and it's got lots of space. Rear heated seats, third zone climate control. The rear seats do recline ever so slightly as well. The extended speaker system with Bang & Olufsen continues around the back. The piano black continues around the back, and there's leather everywhere. That PPF, by the way, is in a fantastic condition, I must add, because I've seen many cars which are wrapped or PPF'd and they're either peeling or they just look a little bit tired. This one is nothing short of immaculate. Beautiful. You've then got these huge quad tailpipes, which I'm sure you know already, it's a Lamborghini, so it produces a very, very good sound. But then you've got the practicality side of stuff. So, automatic tailgate, boot lid spoiler, top spoiler. You've got the rubber mat in the boot to keep it nice and clean. The Alcantara parcel shelf. And this car has an electric deployable tow bar. Now, everyone's different. It's got the power, it's got the size, towing capacity is there. Press the button, it swings out, ready for use. When you're done with it, press it again and it goes away. You can't really tell under this light, I don't think, but that Eleos Blue, if you come all the way in and catch it about here, you'll see the different shades of glitter. And it looks awesome. It's got almost like a glittery finish to it, but it just shimmers extremely well. The driver's seat is in a fantastic condition. The door cards, which is all leather wrapped. Remember with Lamborghini, like all top brands, nothing's cheap or plasticky really. Everything's of good quality, I find. Now, when you do start the engine, Oh, it's got a ghost immobiliser on this car as well, you must know. That's really good for your insurance purposes. Alarm and immobiliser as well, and you have got a tracker, so it has everything. The paddle shifter's there, you're in a good driving position. I don't know what more you could physically want out of a Lamborghini or any sports car that can carry 5 people and your suitcases for the weekend. This car with 30,000 miles on a 71 registration in this colour combination makes this an extraordinary car. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye now.